Easy, easy. Woo-hoo. Go, go. See, with you, me turning left is good because you can hold on. You can just, you know how to save us from flipping, right? Go. Oh, nice. Hell yeah, hell yeah. Oh, it's a freebie, freebie. Damn. Okay, let's not get too far from her. Hold on. Tell her she doesn't have to catch every one. Remember now, if you're falling back, don't try to, if you're falling back or catch the next one.
Yeah, don't try to get every single one.
You can burn out. You're doing great. Look at that, she's so light, look at that. Lean left, you go.
Right, yeah.
Oh, this boat surf's pretty good, actually. Hup. Go. Easy, easy, easy. Go, go, go. Up. On it. Surf them.